What's up guys, this is Mike from Terrestrial Imaging.
And I'm Brian Grant with TerraView.
And in this video, we're going to see how the RangePro X8 performs in high winds. So Brian happens to come at a really unique time. We're getting some consistent winds over here at Terrestrial Imaging, and so it would be a great chance to test the RangePro.
Yeah, I do believe this is going to be a great time to test the RangePro. The storm's bringing a consistent, steady 30 to 40 mile an hour winds with gusts up to 50. And I do believe the aircraft is going to handle that wind just fine with props, a large battery, keep our center of gravity. So I look forward to heading out to the airfield and giving this thing a test flight.
Awesome, let's go.
Let's do it.
So we're just getting back from the field, and as you can see, that was some serious wind. We've flown just about every drone there is out there, and for most of them, I'm not comfortable with even a 10 mile per hour wind. But the RangePro really handled well. I'm impressed, Brian.
Yeah, I'm glad we had this opportunity. You can't just order the wind. You kind of have to, accept what conditions you're given. And today we were given, these high winds. And the video clearly shows that, dust, dirt, leaves are blowing through. You could use that. You could see the trees in the background blowing down. So you knew that this was some serious wind that we were flying in. This thing did really well. I'm very impressed myself. I'm a little nervous sometimes when I go out and fly, what conditions I've never flown in before. But yeah, it handled well. And as I was flying the aircraft, you witnessed me as I was flying. I took off safely. I put it up to an altitude that I felt comfortable with. If it did blow around, it wouldn't endanger any of us on the ground. But I took my thumbs off the controls so we could see what the autopilot system could do as far as holding position, and it did really well. The 8 rotors really held the wind well, and I'm impressed as much as you are, and now I feel confident.
So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and thanks for coming down, Brian.
Hey, thanks for having me. I really appreciate the opportunity for me to showcase the RangePro X8 and some of its capabilities.
Awesome. So please give us a like, subscribe for more videos, and if you're interested in the RangePro X8, visit us online at www.terrestrialimaging.com.